Tamba na eti. Mmapamaliza madzi.
Madzi monga dera linolo. Amakatunga nyumba iyi.
Ndi ya kampani ndi anthu? Ya kampani. Awawa kuti makatunga nyumba iyo ya kampani chilungamo? Awukana atu awo. Awukapita ku pipe. Like budget money, where there's like my farms, they're supposed to be provided with the gum boots. Gum boots. Our gum boot, our agurauka magum boot. Nduna mangati?
Yeah, ajida kuti pasa.
Lidiro.
Ajisoni.
Lidiro. Ukiata ajisoni. Kampani kapena.
Ya umunthu amene wandipasa.
Opa ni munthu eti. Sija kampani eti. Mandivesa. Ena ngatatiyo ino. Now, people are buying their own gambus to work in the farm where you are making profit. That's why I've got a problem. I've got issues with that. You know? And toilet, madi za chimbuzi, chiulo chimbuzi kunoko? Anakuza mchani kana chimbuzi, kuti mtoto kutiko. Patatu za kuti 50 hectares ili yose baka chimbuzi chimozi. Mukudziwa pena zozo ngati? Pangani ya chimbuzi, munauzidwa kuti chani? Mapangani ya chimbuzi, what did you do these people?
In fact, nkhani ya chimbuzi, tinakumbako selected fields. But unfortunately, they were vandalized. Zinakwa. And Vanova we
Magumba zimbuzi, Magumba zimbuzi at what interval?
Magumba select fields.
How many interval, how many distances?
About 50 hectares or so.
Per toilet?
Yeah.
Some selected. Manos na kwa subengo said, is there any functional toilet? Which go on nobody panopa.
Yeah, ndimvula hii ndekuti.
Ndekuti enough now. You are saying one toilet per 50 hectares. Komano jinakwa ndimvula. It means unangombanga ya 2 kwacha. Not suitable for use by people. Are we together? Chimbuzi mawanga bwibula kampani ya makande yokazikika. Chinga kwendi mvula zona. Can we go and see one? From here, I want to, because the thing is, I don't want our zina, I won't do the truth. We must go to see the toilet. That day we didn't go, then we must go. Show us one toilet from here. We go and see one toilet which you have done at 50 kilometers. Because these people, they have been complaining, no toilets. So there's no toilet in this estate. That is established. Whether you go or not, there's no toilet. But we want to go and see one from here. Number 2. Aguti madzi umabwera kuti abauza olo ndi mazo mzamwe chilungamo tiveka amene chakana ba madzi akumwa matunga kuti chisibe cha kampani chanu cha ndani cha ndani chandu amidzi ya misho. Wait, where's the water? Wait for so. Water bauza sima bwera masima bweza water bauza hii. Tamba na eti. Mmapamaliza madzi.
Madzi monga dera linolo. Amakatunga nyumba iyi.
Ndi ya kampani ndi anthu?
Ya kampani.
Awawa kuti makatunga nyumba iyo ya kampani chilungamo? Awukana atu awo. Awukapita ku pipe.
Madzi sama katunga wa general manager. Ayi. Pachisebi, pachali chapo mwaona somano? Kuma chali chapo cha kampani chali chi? It's not your well.
It's not your well. We are told no. That's nonsense. When we are there, we are told that water bowser imatunga mazi watawasila anthu akuma.
Water collectors.
Water collectors.
Ma collectors
Ma collectors, what do they do?
Do they give abantu hawa? Godi maziwo amabwera kwa inu mabiyano kwa meneko katunga mazi menekoko. Makaba.
Maji wota bota ikabwera kuti ikubwera ku. Ndekuti kuti kugatopopera.
Aha.
Yota kala kumwa iya.
Okay. Now, inuyo mazi maringa kutiko finally.
Mameni kaya ndikira kandi kunzinge chima
Weta.
Amatunga kutiko. Kuchali chikuja, mwapa. Collector ama katuka kuchalichi. Usati kwa buka chino manager kwe yayi. Sadale panoba manager. Awanda antu anzanu na Malawi. They are speaking the truth. Let's be honest and be human. That's all I'm asking from you. Let's be human. Mopa ndani, mopa morongo. These are human beings.